Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mehzabin Mifta. I'm from English Language Center, Bangladesh. My best number is K134. So today I will talk about a blueberry paragraph. So let's get started. Blueberry is known for its round, small size and shape. We can enjoy it as smoothie, cake, muffins, fresh desserts, etc. Its taste is sweet, slightly tangy. It grows our immunity system boost, etc. It mostly found in cooler region. All age people love like blueberry. I also love blueberry very much. Bye bye.